I want to share a pretty incredible client story that left me with two really simple but powerful lessons. I work with thousands of people on their estate plans, and I work with many people who are facing their own mortality. And I recently met with a longtime client. We'll call him John. He did give me permission to share this, but that's not his real name. But John is someone I've gotten to know over the years. He's in his late 60s and he has a younger son with special needs. I helped him to set up a special needs estate plan. And again, I've gotten to know him a little bit, but he sat down with me one day and he said, "Mark, I really want you to get to know me. And I want to tell you my story a little bit." I'm not going to go all the details, but turns out he's a huge Hunter S. Thompson fan, a big fan of the beatniks. He wears these cool sunglasses. He says it's for an eyesight condition. I think it's just because he looks cool in them. But he told me that he has an illness, that he's facing Parkinson's and some serious heart issues. And as a result, he only has 2 years left to live, according to what his doctors tell him. I was like, whoa, like, so you're facing your mortality now. Like, how are you dealing with that? Because he seems so upbeat and energetic and good. And he said, "Mark, there's really two simple ways I live my life in my final years, however long I have left." He said, "One, I'm living my life for my wife and for my son. I want to make sure they're okay. I'm going to do everything I can to make sure that they're okay. And that gives me purpose and meaning. And then two, in my remaining time left, I'm going to spend my time only with people that I like and people who feel like they add something to my life and positive energy." So it was simple, living for someone else, living for his family, and spending time with good people. And he did say, this is kind of a humble brag. He said, "Mark, you're part of that. You know, I love talking to you." So yes, that's kind of a humble brag, but I was honored that he considered me part of that. So it was just a beautiful, beautiful lesson from a man facing his own mortality. And I reflect on it a lot, and it's helped me in the last few months of my life navigating things. So I hope you get something out of that. It was a really beautiful meeting.